Our new peer assessment feature gives students a better understanding of course objectives. By assessing others' work, students gain a new perspective on their own assignments. Even more so when professors provide clear assessment criteria, like rubrics, within the platform. When reviewing papers and giving feedback in courses with many students, peer assessment can be a huge time saver. Mrs. Jones teaches marketing and the modern organization at university. She wants to see how well her students understand strategic brand models. She creates an assignment centered around the first few chapters of her business strategy textbook. Mrs. Jones has already prepared the assignment text, which she pastes into the text field. It's important that students are not only able to understand these models, but can also explain them to their peers. Because of this, Mrs. Jones wants to use peer assessment for this assignment. She needs to set a deadline and an assessment scale. Mrs. Jones enables peer assessment and decides that each student will be reviewed by 2 other students. When the deadline has passed, the students' answers will automatically be assigned to peers for assessment. Reviewing and giving feedback to peers provides students with a deeper understanding of assignments. Teachers get an overview of all their students' tasks and activities in the platform. Students can see the new assignment in their task list with the date of deadline. By clicking on the assignment, Thomas can read what he needs to do. When Thomas has completed his answer, he uploads the file and hits Submit. In the course view, the assignment shows as submitted, and he can see a new task in his task list. Thomas can see that he has a task to peer assess. By clicking on Assignment, he can see the guidelines, who to review, and who will assess him. Reviewing and giving feedback can be done in several ways: directly in the document, in a text field, or by uploading a file. Thomas wants to explain orally, so he decides to give video feedback. Using the built-in audio-video recorder, Thomas can explain the topic in a new way. For Thomas, it helps to be able to verbalize the principles to gain a deeper understanding. This new perspective was just what Sarah needed. Mrs. Jones gets an overview of all the students. She can look at what they've submitted and can view the peer assessments. She's so grateful that she sends a message right away.